If you are interested in a Polkadot cryptocurrency, both as a trader but also as a long-term investor or holder, then this video is exactly right for you, because in this video I will do a brief analysis, a technical analysis on the Polkadot price. And I will even highlight some areas where I think you can hold very good from, or where you can potentially do a day trade. So welcome back everyone, thanks for sticking around. As I said earlier, we will do a brief technical analysis. I will try to make this video as short as possible, so you can understand the analysis and just take it into consideration and think for yourself what you want to do with it. So this analysis is relevant for both people who want to buy Polkadot to hold it a long time, so invest in it, but also for day traders who just want a quick cryptocurrency day trade, make some money off of it, and get out of it after that. So first of all, we are on TradingView. I have posted this on TradingView. I will leave the link down in the description if you want to follow it in the upcoming weeks, but also if you want to check it out even more and you can scroll for yourself. It is Polkadot against Tether for KuCoin at the 4-hour time frame, and I am doing a technical analysis. I am using 4 exponential moving averages. I'm using trend lines. I'm using key levels, which are basically support and resistance together in a level. And I'm also using Fibonacci retracement. This one, which I'm using, starts over here, that point, not the lowest point, but right here. And I'm also using this trend line, and that goes from here. So let's get on to the analysis real quick. So as you can see, I have some colored boxes, and this analysis might seem overwhelming at first, but to be honest, the only thing you should look at, and what I'm going to explain, are the colored boxes. So we have green, we have red, and we have purple. Green are buy areas, purple are break retest areas, so also buy areas, but the price has to still break over them. And red is the sell area. So let's first get on to the green areas. The green areas are both buy areas, as I said earlier. I think they are both good buy areas if you want to hold. But to be honest, I think the chance is very slim that the price will actually get there. So it's more of a day trade, I think, and it would be a very good holding area, but I think it would be more of a day trade that you can just put limit orders right here and just leave it be, and if price reaches that point, it will be a very good trade. So as you can see here, I have 2 buy areas along this trend line. I think this trend line is very strong, and I just base them on the confluence of the key level and the trend line. As you can see, the colored boxes are not all in the same place. So this one, for example, means that it is valid from the 13th of September till the 16th. And you can also see the hour. You can see that in the TradingView link as well. So basically, price has to hit it while the box is actually there. So if the price hits it right here, it doesn't count. If it hits it right here, it doesn't count. It has to hit in this specific time frame at this level. And you can put the buy limit at the top of the box or at the bottom of the box, depending on how much risk you want to have, how much FOMO you have. Because if you leave it at the bottom, the chance is even slimmer that you will actually get into the trade. But if you get into the top, there is more a bigger chance of drawdown if it hits. Same goes for this, valid from the 18th until the 21st. As I said earlier, both based on the key level together with this very strong trend line, I think. We can delete this trend line. I don't think that will be hit anytime soon, but it was very nice to see that this was actually a perfect break retest of that trend line. Then we have this purple area, which I consider to be more of a hold area, which would be, that's kind of stupid because the price is under it right now. So you can better hold right now, but if you are looking at this in the future, if you want to hold it right now and the price is still under it, I would buy it right now if you want to hold it for a long time. If you are looking at it in the future and the price is somewhere like this, I would consider this to be a very good hold area. Just along this whole line, so the 9th until the 16th, 15th. Basically based on the top of this key level, the 0.236 Fibonacci, these EMAs, which will be unread, and they will serve as some kind of support, and the 30 psychological key level. So that's basically it. And then this purple box I think would be a very good trade, but it is also a break retest, and it's a very small time period. So price has to break all the way above this, which could happen. Cryptocurrencies can move quite quickly, and price still has about 3 days for it. And if it breaks above this, I think buying right here, a buy limit, would be a very good day trade. But also if you were watching this and price is all the way up here, I think this would be a very good buy and hold area as well. And then we have one sell area, which I want to tell you something about. To be honest, I wouldn't sell or do a short order on cryptocurrencies at this point of time, because I think there is still a lot of bullish momentum for cryptocurrencies, and a lot of times people who short cryptocurrencies are just gonna get blown out of the trade. So personally I wouldn't take this trade, but I just wanted to include it, kind of just for fun, but also to kind of see if you can better predict cryptocurrencies sell areas. Possibly because cryptocurrencies are getting more stable, and it will actually be possible to take some good sell areas. But this would be based on the 40 psychological key level, which when you look at the past, every like 30, 20, 10 were all very good resistance areas, or just a little bit below, together with this trend line. So I will look out for that in the future. It will be in about 10 days, 2 weeks maybe. I will look out for it, and I've put it on this chart, but personally I wouldn't use it. So basically that is the analysis. If you have any questions about the analysis, please leave them down in the comments, and I will make sure to answer them as soon as possible. And I should always give this disclaimer that this is my analysis. It is based on price action. A lot of things can happen in the cryptocurrency world, so always do your own analysis and think for yourself as well, and use this analysis to give you some more confidence or to give you ideas. So having said that, that is the conclusion of this video. I hope to see you in the next one, but for now, bye.